Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video, where I take you on a stroll along one of the most iconic beaches in the world, Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm excited to share this experience with you in 4K 60 FPS quality, so don't forget to adjust your video settings to get the full immersive experience.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
First things first, if you enjoy this video, please do hit the like button below and leave a comment telling me what you think of Copacabana Beach. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing travel content. While some may see this as a negative aspect of the neighborhood, it's important to remember that these communities are an integral part of Rio's culture and history. As I continue my walk along the beach, I can't help but be amazed by the sheer size of Copacabana. It's one of the busiest beaches in the world, and it's easy to see why. From beach volleyball and soccer to swimming and sunbathing, there's always something to do on this lively stretch of sand. One thing I particularly love about Copacabana is the mix of people that can be found here. Locals and tourists alike come to the beach to enjoy the sun and surf, and it's not uncommon to hear a mix of Portuguese, English, Spanish, and other languages being spoken. This diversity only adds to the unique charm of the neighborhood. As I come to the end of my walk along Copacabana Beach, I can't help but feel grateful for this experience.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!